In ordinary situations, whenever you try to work with Selenium IDE by using this plugin, if you try to create a new project, give the project name as sample, and the first most important thing is in Selenium IDE is you have to give the playback base URL. That means what web page you want to check or test or inspect the elements. For example, I want to check with this website. At the same time, before going to further procedure, by default one test is created. For this you have to give the name, change the name by using rename, and give the test name as a test case name as a login test. After that, you can start the recording. Once the recording is started, whatever the playback base URL you are specified, that website is opened with initial screen. See, once I go for a recording, automatically particular website is opened. The initial screen of this website is login screen. Now here there is a default username, that is admin, and then password. Password is admin123. Now I can give the username as admin, and next one is admin123. Once I can use this login, so it goes to next navigation page. Further, based on your requirement, if you want to do any manipulations, you can do. Otherwise, if you want to log out from the screen, just you go for the logout option and say logout, and come back to your Selenium IDE and stop the recording. Now here you can observe automatically the steps are created. Commands are created. See, the first command is it will open the site. By default, it will take the window size as so and so. And after that, you are with the help of your cursor, you are clicking on username, and then you are entering the username as a value as admin. After that, you are clicking on login, password, and then next one is you are entering the password as admin123, and finally you are clicking on login button, and then welcome screen goes, and after that you are selecting the option as a logout. If it is already hosted website, this is the situation. In case of a unhosted website, that means if the website is available in the local drives, it's not possible. It will open the website, but it won't, whenever you go for recording, it won't create a further navigation steps. It won't record the further commands. That we will see in the next video.